Hello, Straw Hat crew. Luffy holding the flag. So I was going to just do the logo, the Straw Hat logo. Then I found this. I was like, why not have Luffy in it as well? So start with the actual flag, because it's like the biggest thing. Luffy's down here in the corner, right? So I just use as much of my page as I can because it makes it easier for you to see. So he's like right down here. And of course, if you wanted to do him kind of in the middle of the page or something, you could if you have room. So, flag. Let's just sketch out this big wavy thing. Okay, starting here, bring it up. And it's kind of like rough, right? So at the edges, it may start to have some like spikes on it, like some little sort of rips and tears. They've been on the high seas quite some time, you know. And we'll come down here. So as we go, adding some spikes and stuff. Right, so flag like that, and then we'll kind of go this way. So it's kind of tied, you know, with two little sort of knots here. And then she goes this way. So Luffy's like down here. The flag's massive. Just tie her in a pole. So it goes around this way. And like that. And it's just like a wooden stick, and Luffy's hand is like holding onto the stick. We could do some of the stick, maybe. We can. His hand is like in the middle somewhere. So will I draw it all? Maybe I'll wait till we put Luffy, because I won't know where the hand goes really. So I'll just do the tops here. Just thinking like you could draw the whole stick, I guess. Don't know what to do. So they're like joined together. Decision. Tell you, I'll wait, and we'll put Luffy, and then we'll just be able to join. Like, we want his hand to be about here. So, and then Luffy down there. Yeah, I'll wait. We'll draw Luffy, but we'll get the symbol, the Straw Hat Crew big skull thing. They're kind of their logo, I guess. And it can be bumpy and wavy, right? Because the flag is kind of bumpy and wavy. So you got sort of, right? So you know, you'll have like sort of fabric lines on the flag, you know. And then the straw hat on the skeleton's head with a red ribbon. Two bones out the top. Again, it can be wavy and bumpy because the flag is blowing in the wind. You know, for example, this one maybe like flattened a bit because it's dipping back here. You know. And then the bottom of this skull chin thing. And two eyes. Why is that not? 1 second. No, it's a circle. Weird. So I thought this would be like a normal skull, but it's not. It's a little sort of black circle. Usually it's like an upside down love heart, you know, on skulls. Not this time. Right, his chin. It's kind of going this way. I guess the flag is curving it. And then there's like teeth. Simple one-piece teeth. They're the easiest teeth to draw. One-piece teeth. It's just a grid. And then bone. Skull and crossbones. Oh, should that one be longer? Yeah. No. I will blame the flag. Maybe it should be longer, but I'm not sure. Okay, that's it really. We'll go over and do Luffy. Now he's real small, the flag's huge, right? So he's all the way down here, and his hand reaches up to like there. So we'll go. Okay, so we'll just draw like the shape for his face. Just get it, because he's looking up. Maybe do his eyes first. Now he's got an easy shape for a face, so we'll just go here, kind of like a wine glass U shape. Just for like his jaw, and then his neck. There, right? So that's kind of his neck and his chin and his jaw, right? So his eyes, just here, sort of, will go, he's looking up at the flag, kind of, right? So you just have that top eyelid line that Luffy normally has, and then the bottom there, and then just a black eye looking up. We have the scar underneath this eye, and then a frown. He's happy but frowning. Okay. And then the other eye, same sort of thing again. Top eyelid, bottom eyelid then, just like a circle, just with two separate lines. And then again, he's kind of looking up, maybe over to the right. Just a black iris and pupil. And then a frowning eyebrow. We'll do his nose. It's there between the eyes, and maybe a dot for a nostril. And then a big Luffy smile. Open it up, show his teeth. Kind of like that. Bit of a thick line. Hold on. Just need to see a little bit more teeth here. Okay. Maybe like just teeth on the side. Yeah. Right, so head tilted up, we can see sort of hair spikes here. It's coming across this way, and then one down there. side of the head going that way. And his ears are real low down, so we'll put one here, another one here. Ear lines. And then spikes coming out from behind the ears. And then we do the rest coming up his head. You can do your hair moves, blows in the wind, remember, so it doesn't have to be the exact same as mine. Lots of different ways of doing it. Right, so we can see he's kind of got a black leather thing. I don't know if this is from a different movie, but we'll go with his red cape. We'll do that, like his red waistcoat thing. Right, so we just have this side and a collar here. And I think I get some fold lines here on his shoulder, just going down that way. And his arm, or the sleeve anyway. And the rest of the waistcoat just going that way. Then we can see like side body, and then some anatomy in here like chest. That way. And maybe some abs then. Like his diaphragm sort of there. Obliques. Abs like that. Right, oh yeah, and the scar. So he's got this X marks the spot scar. Just along the belly. And that'll be like a different color skin. So then his hand goes up this way. We got bicep, tricep. I guess this would be like his forearm then. So your forearm's kind of wider at the top, and then it goes to his wrist, which goes in behind that pole, right? So stop it kind of there. Now One Piece don't put a lot of details into the muscles, especially Luffy, because he's like stretch, you know. And I guess we just got to do his hand. So like the pole is here, so we'll put his thumb as a guide, right? So this will be where the outside of the pole will be. Right, so like one line of the pole will come down that way, say. Now, if your hand, like, say if your arm like stops like this side of the pole, Luffy has really long limbs, so you could extend, you know, as if he was like, gum no. So we go, try to line it up as best we can. Okay. So then the other side of the pole, we'll just do that, and then we'll do fingers, just so we get them in the right place. So we'll go, your fingers be here, so just 4 knuckles, right? Each of these be a finger. And on the pinky, you can normally see some skin at the back. And that's not bad. Got his hand. His hand looks okay. Okay, Luffy, Straw Hat Crew flag. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.